I just found the highest win rate entry model for trading momentum stocks. And it's the exact entry model that catches me massive trades like this just about every single day. I'm going to walk you through every piece of confluence that caught me my entry right here before the massive move to the upside. Now, first and foremost, on its first move to the upside, where price breaks up and consolidates, we have these two big topping tails off the highs where it grabs liquidity. So what I'm going to do is draw up this area of supply where price wicked off these highs on the attempted breakout early in the morning. Next, we're going to identify market structure going into market open with these lower highs, lower high to lower high, and into, of course, market open. Of course, we've got sellers sitting through here, but as price breaks above, this area of supply now has a chance to become an area of demand. But the problem here is, of course, we're putting in place lower highs, so we can't play this until we first break structure to the upside. And price has to be above VWAP, and the 9 EMA has to be above the 20 EMA. So the indicators you'll need are VWAP, the EMA 9, EMA 20, EMA 50. And this is a 1-minute time frame. And with this big leg to the upside, we have this area of consolidation followed by this reversal back to the downside, which is where I can also identify this area of liquidity formed off the highs here off $2.51. So as you can see here, we cannot take it anywhere through here where we pull back into this past area of demand because we don't have confluence yet. Price is below VWAP and the 20 EMA is above the 9 EMA, so it's a little bit backwards. Now going into market open, price does break structure to the upside, as you can see right here, where it tries to flush, grabs liquidity, and gets bought back up to reclaim trend. With that, it also breaks above VWAP, and as you can see here, the 9 EMA crosses back above the 20 EMA. Now I want you to write down every single piece of confluence I had in this trade. We have the break of structure out of market open, the 9 EMA crosses back above the 20 EMA, price tight above VWAP, range back to pre-market highs, and this confirmed grab of liquidity back from these past pre-market highs out of this past area of supply. As you can see, nailed the perfect entry at the literal bottom underneath $2 a share. I could not have asked for a better entry. Then as this next candle breaks higher, I raise my stop loss to that previous candle's low to ensure the price does continue higher. Then as it breaks structure here and tries to head higher on the break of these lower highs, I raise my stop loss to the bottom of this breakout candle to make sure the price does head higher, and as it rejects off those highs, I take a full profit, as you can see right here, and that trade is done. Easy enough. This is hands down the highest win rate entry model for trading momentum stocks, and I just gave you all of the sauce that I use on a daily basis. To trade stocks just like this with me in real time every single day and see every single strategy that I use every single morning, start your free trial and I'll see you there.